Can I ask your name, sir?
And now he's in my window.
Can I ask why you at? This guy wants to take a picture of me. I came out here to take a picture of the trains. He wants to take a picture of me. Huh. Can I ask your name, sir?
And now he's in my window.
Can I ask why you at taking my picture? Can I?
Why were you down at Pelton Gate?
Taking pictures of the train, sir.
You're not supposed to be.
I can't take a picture of the train?
No, sir.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Is that against the law?
You've had problems with other people doing that. That's why.
Had problems with other people doing what? Taking pictures of the train?
Yes.
And that's a problem?
Yes.
Really? I thought we paid
Security.
billions of dollars for that. We can't take a picture.
Security.
Homeland Security of the light rail, Charlotte. Really?
Yeah.
We
it's a
paid
motor
billions of dollars for that, sir, and I can't take a picture of it.
Transportation. Recording.
Let that man get by. So I just want to say, so we paid billions of dollars of that, and I can't take a picture of that light rail for my son.
No.
Who am I talking to right now?
I'm not responding to that. I do not have to respond.
You don't have to respond to what?
No,
Are you? So what are you? Hold on. What are you right now? You work for? So you're working as what are you right now? Security? What are you?
I work for a security company.
What security company, sir?
Pardon?
We need to figure this out.
I'm on my
So it's against the law for me to take a picture of that train. That's what you're telling me.
With my supervisor, please let me talk.
This guy right here. Hey. That man lost his mind. Homeland Security. That man watching too much TV. Hey, we'll get to the bottom of this. We'll have this discussion again. Homeland Security. You know what? I'll call Washington and ask that question if it's against the law to take pictures in public. Y'all still don't know the law yet, right, man? That's terrible. Disrespecting people's rights out here every day, man. You should be ashamed of yourself, man. To let you know about the First Amendment. All right? I have my people call your people.